option we have is a fishbowl bubble bowl. And what I like to do is I've taken a picture and laminated it. So it can be any kind of background, like underwater theme for this one, because we're gonna use Dory here and Nemo from the lovely Pixar movie. And then we've got some white bubble beads, so we'll just pour some of those in. We've got some seashells as well. Pour those in. And I've got some coral. So we'll pop that in the back. And then what we're gonna do is add our water. So let's do that. Now some of the things are gonna move around, but you can reposition it with your hands. All right, so we didn't have enough water the first time, so we just refilled our pitcher and we're gonna add some more. Now, yes, the items are gonna move around, but what we're gonna do is just reposition it. So you can move around the seashells and your figurines in there. And there you go. And then one other element is, once again, adding our LED light up lid. So we'll just twist, turn it on, and pop it on top.